There are a lot of benefits in training and development of an employee, and I'll show you some of the scenario.
Wala sa practice ko nga.
Fewer accidents. When employees lack the right kind of skills and knowledge, they are liable to make mistakes. The more trained an employee is, the less are the chances of committing accidents in job and the more proficient the employee becomes.
Dito boss, dito. Teka, tumatawag sa akin. Hello? Sigurado, kaya mo yan ha? Yes boss! O sige, kaya mo to.
Less supervision. When organizations are investing more in training and development, employees become more efficient. A well-trained employee will know his job better and will need less of supervision. Thus, there will be less wastage of time and efforts.
Flores, napatawag na nila na ito.
Boss, ba't niyo pa pinapatawag?
Dahil 5 taon ka na sa pagtatrabaho, dahil sumisikap ka, gusto kita i-promote sa pagiging manager.
Ganun po ba?
Opo.
Maraming salamat po.
Promotion opportunities. Individuals acquire skills and efficient during training process and become more eligible for promotion. Employees, when become proficient in what they are doing, they become an asset for the firm.
Hello? Boss, pwede makita yung pinagawang komisyon?
Di ba po kasi tapos eh. Nakakailang revision na ako.
Ha? 3 buwan na yan, di ba?
Hello?
Boss, pwede makita yung komisyon ko?
Yung position? Siyempre naman po. Actually, tapos ko na nga po eh. Inaantay ko na lang yung tawag niya.
Wow, ang bilis naman. Ilang taon sigurong ginawa yan?
Better productivity. Training improves efficiency and productivity of employees. Well-trained employees show both quantity and quality performance. There is less wastage of time, money, and resources if employees are properly trained.